get introduced to this whole row of maples that I'm standing by. But not only will you get introduced to them, but you will get something from within you. Find something that's within you that will touch you very deeply about being with trees and plants. You will find a way of being with trees and plants that comes from within you, to be with them in such a way that you can heal sick trees and plants. You will learn some things, both spiritual and practical, to be with the trees and plants that you won't get anywhere else on this planet. You will find that this is something you can take home with you. And it's not like a learning, but it's like a uncovering for you. And that's the most important piece to you, because it's an uncovering. And it's a new way for you to be with nature that you haven't been before. What we call it is partnering with nature. And you say, well, I can understand partnering. No, this is coming from nature's point of view. And you will have that ability to come from nature's point of view. And not only have the ability to come from nature's point of view, but then you'll also learn some practical things to help heal the trees and plants that'll come from you as an interaction between you and the trees and the plants. And it's from your heart to the consciousness of the tree and the plant, and back to you again. And that's what you're going to get out of this course. So it's a real opportunity to be with nature in a way that nobody else can show you, and that you have a real opportunity in life to take a big step to healing sick trees and plants. So it's the last weekend in May 2026 at Omega Institute. The name of the course is Nature Listening Tree Whispering, and it's put on by the Basia Institute in cooperation with Omega Institute. And we'll hope you will come and join us for this course. It's a short 3-day weekend course, but you will get a lot out of it. I promise you that. Thank you.